Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robot vacuums. We'll be comparing two top contenders, the Roborock Q7 Max and the Robot Vacuum. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to suction power, both the Roborock Q7 Max and the Robot Vacuum offer impressive performance. The Q7 Max boasts a powerful 4,200 pascals suction, allowing it to easily lift debris and pet hair from floors, cracks, and carpets. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum offers a respectable 1,400 PA suction power, perfect for removing dust, paper scraps, and other garbage. In terms of cleaning modes, both robots have their own strengths. The Q7 Max offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping thanks to its electronic pump and 30 water flow levels. This allows for a more thorough cleaning experience, especially on different floor types. The Robot Vacuum, on the other hand, offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes including auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning. These modes can be easily switched using the remote control or the Tuya Smart app. Navigation is a crucial aspect of any robot vacuum, and both the Q7 Max and the Robot Vacuum excel in this area. The Q7 Max utilizes PreciSense lidar navigation, which creates precise 3D maps of your home and monitors cleaning routes efficiently. It even allows you to virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. The Robot Vacuum, on the other hand, features advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance, ensuring it can intelligently identify and avoid walls, stairs, and other obstacles. Battery life is always a concern when it comes to robot vacuums. The Q7 Max impresses with a long-lasting cleaning time of up to 180 minutes on a single charge, thanks to its specially designed battery. This allows it to cover a maximum vacuuming area of 3,229 square feet. The Robot Vacuum, on the other hand, offers a runtime of 100 minutes in a 1,290 square foot house. It also has the advantage of self-charging, as it automatically returns to the charging base when the battery is low or cleaning is complete. Hair tangles can be a common issue with robot vacuums, especially in households with pets or long hair. The Q7 Max addresses this problem with its multi-directional floating all-rubber brush. This design strongly resists hair tangles, making it ideal for tackling long hair and pet hair. The Robot Vacuum takes a different approach with its advantaged brushless suction port, ensuring no hair entanglement. This is a great feature for pet families. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max has received positive feedback for its performance and features. Reviewers mention its powerful suction, simultaneous vacuuming and mopping capabilities, and long-lasting battery life. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum has also garnered praise for its smart app and voice control compatibility, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and brushless suction port. And that concludes our comparison of the Roborock Q7 Max and the Robot Vacuum. Both robots offer impressive features and performance, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. The Roborock Q7 Max shines with its powerful suction, simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, and long-lasting battery life. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum impresses with its smart app and voice control compatibility, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and brushless suction port. We hope this video has helped you in your decision-making process. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And as always, remember to buy smart.